how are you doing team? Nokia Power is here and we welcome you all to this much awaited video. In this video, we will evaluate the performance of Nokia 6 2018 or Nokia 6.1 in some markets. The Nokia 6 2018 comes with Snapdragon 630 processor and it mates it with 3 GB RAM for the global variant which is available now. A 4 GB variant will come later, but for now we have this 6 2018 with 630 SD 630 and 3 GB RAM. So if you remember, Nokia 6 with 3 GB RAM was like a powerful and capable device. So we expect 6 2018 to be even better because it comes with a big processor upgrade. So what we will do in this video is that we will evaluate the performance in terms of real life performance. So not only we will see how it will behave in terms of when you do daily tasks like browsing, launching apps, playing games, and much more. We will also try to push it to limits like for advanced multitasking with many games and apps open, many browser tabs open kind of. So let's begin with. So when we talk about the normal navigation, it's quite smooth. You would not face any issue anywhere, no lags. So normal navigation wise, it's all good. Let's launch the Google Apps, and you can see that it launches very fast, quite good. We can think about like because many have asked us to check how the Google Assistant launches. So here it is. Okay.
Hi, Nokia Power user. I'm your assistant.
So here we will now try to launch the Google Assistant, and it happens
Hi, Nokia
fast.
Power user. I'm your.
So apart from that, if like we can try launching the camera, let's see how fast the camera is, and it's quite fast as you can see. So let's see shot to shot times. It's again really fast, almost instantaneous. Send it to the background. Then we can quickly check the browser. Okay, we have 5 tabs open in the browser already. Let's quickly check how many more tabs we can open without any issue. We can also open YouTube and try to stream a video. So in that way we can actually increase the load or like consume more memory. Let's quickly check some trailer.
You should be extremely afraid. Thank you for bringing us collectively to this moment. It is a moment that so many have dreamed of claiming.
So this is how the streaming works in the browser, and as you can see it is good actually. So now we have like 7 tabs open here. We can try opening at least 10 tabs. So we have now opened 11 tabs, a YouTube one, and other tabs that are loading. As you can see, this Chrome browser, with the Chrome browser, the browsing uh, feels like being capable, and it loads quite fast. Even with like there are 11 tabs open, but I don't see any issue anywhere. It's quite fluid. The scrolling is quite good. Zooming in, zooming out looks to be good. Let's see how fast we can go back to the home screen, and it is quite fast. So the loading, scrolling, zooming, etc. This all works quite good, quite well on this Chrome browser. And as you can see, we have 11 tabs open in the browser. Now we see in how the browser is so fast, how the browsing works well. Vivian streamed a video there. Now time for some games maybe. So one is here, the Clash of Clans. Just load the game.
Ah,
So as you know, we are like more interested in launch, I mean, kind of launching games, and then seeing how the multitasking works, how this is handled by the device. So we'll send it back to the background. Now let's open at least one more game so that, okay, and we have some heavy games here. So one of them is like two of them are like Mortal Kombat and Injustice. So let's launch this one. This is a quite a heavy game. So I mean, if you need to have a very good, your device needs to have good browser and good RAM. Else, it's like very difficult to play this game properly. So let's see how it is being handled by Nokia 6 2018, and then we will come to the multitasking.
This isn't what we signed up for. I let myself believe we were making things better. But we're not.
man's aggression cannot be tempered. Only
This isn't what we signed up for. I let myself believe we were making things better. But we're not.
man's aggression cannot be tempered.
So we are here. Time to send it to the background. So we have now two heavy games, Clash of Clans and Injustice Amongst Us, I mean Gods Amongst Us. And we have a browser which has how many? 11 tabs. So let's see how it all gets handled. Let's go to the YouTube.
Really afraid.
So nothing has crashed and you can actually access everything fast, quite fast. And let's go to back to the game, the Clash of Clans. So here, there, and it'll be interesting to see how this one comes back, because as we told you, so Injustice Gods Among Us, so it restarted, started reloading. So it's a very quite a heavy game. So it's always interesting to see, even on a flagship. Sometimes it's difficult to play this game, but it's okay. So on Nokia 6 2018 it just reloaded. So while the general thing should be resuming from the background. So maybe there is like some kind of chances that HMD can actually make the RAM management better on Nokia 6 2018. But this is a very heavy game, so we can try with one lighter game. Let's see how it works. So if we launch a Subway Surfer, which is a relatively lighter game, let's see how it happens, how it works in terms of multitasking. So as you can see here, the Subway Surfer has resumed. It did not reload, which is what should be the standard behavior for any game which goes to the background while you are doing a multitasking. So as you can see, till now, in terms of multitasking, we saw that when there is a heavy game, so it has chances that it will get reloaded on Nokia 6 2018. But we have two heavy games, then it happened. But when we have one heavy and one kind of lighter, so it resumes very well. But that may also depend upon whether the game is correctly optimized for like a mid-range device. So, in a way, if we talk about the general multitasking, it's quite good on Nokia 6 2018. It's for fast, nothing crashes, everything runs well. Even with a browser with many tabs open, it handles everything with very ease, quite ease. So, if we talk about the individual performance evaluation, Nokia 2018 is quite good. It's uh, it's capable actually. That's what we would like to say. Obviously, again, it's difficult to compare it with its like siblings or like 7 plus or 80 because they are in a different league with higher RAM and then better processor. But if you talk about the Nokia 6 2018 itself, then we think that like just like it's the original Nokia 6, it's like individually capable device which would not let you down. It allows you to even like push it to limits, and still there are no crashes, no crashing of games, etc. Yes, if when you are like having two very heavy games, then one game might get reloaded, so that happens. But even like you have many apps open, one very heavy game and one fine game, like lighter game like Subway Surfer open, it just handles everything fine. So but yeah, there are like chances to improve the RAM management, which HMD can perhaps do with an update. So with that, we come to end of this performance evaluation. Hope you have liked it. Stay tuned for more. We are going to compare Nokia 6 2018 with the original Nokia in terms of performance soon. We'll post that video too. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.